All right, fifth grade friends, this video is going to get a little bit more complicated, but not too much, with dividing long division with decimals. All right, we learned in our first video that we really want to identify the decimals on the outside number, the number we're dividing by. That's the one that can get really tricky. And we're going to get rid of it and move it, but our goal is to move it the same amount on the inside as on the outside. Well, look at this one. Last time we were only moving it one spot, but this one is a little bit different. I have 5.292. See, I have a decimal on the inside, divided by 0 or 0.03. I got a decimal on the outside as well. So remember that we want to create an equivalent problem by moving the decimal. We just got to do it on the inside and the outside. So I want to get rid of the decimal on the outside, but now I have two digits I have to move it because I have that tricky 0 in there. So if I bounce it 1, 2 spots, I get 3 on the outside. Now if I bounced it 2 spots on the outside, I got to bounce it 2 spots on the inside. So I got 1 and 2. So that decimal now is going to fall in between the 9 and the 2, creating for me 529.2, right? None of our numbers really changed. None of our digits changed. We just moved the place value because these two problems are going to get us the same answer, okay? Now with my division, I simply go up. I put the decimal on the line that matches up and I start my dividing, right? 3 goes into 5 one time, put it directly above the 5. Do my subtracting. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down my 2. 7 can't go directly into 22, but I can get close. I can do 3 times 7, which will get me 21. Do my subtracting. Bring down my 9. I can get pretty close again with 6, which gets me 18. My 1. Do my subtracting and bring down. 3 goes into 12 4 times. I brought that 2 down, so I put that number directly over it, getting me an answer of 176.4. But I wanted to show this video that's saying that you want to move that decimal as many places as you need to get rid of it on the outside, all right? Because we can deal with it on the inside. But as many spots as you bounce it on the outside, I bounced it 2 spots on the outside. I had to bounce it 2 spots on the inside. Okay, so good luck. You got a few more practice problems, and we will see you on our next video.